Hi, I'm Casey.
And I'm Natalie. We're realtors with the W Group.
And we're here in Rouzan today with Liz with Level Homes. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
Hey, I am Liz with Level Homes. I am the new home sales counselor in Rouzan. So basically what I do is help you find your perfect new home. I hold your hand throughout the entire process. I'm your main point of contact from start to finish.
So Liz, if you don't choose a spec home, how long is the process to build?
I would say the process, what we're seeing right now, is between 7 and 8 months. So you would choose your lot and your floor plan. Then you would have a design meeting with our professional design team to choose all your finishes, customize it. I say we're one step below a custom home builder. You can do everything but move walls.
Great. And how many homes do you guys have available in Rouzan at this time?
At this time, we have about 11 homes available. They have all been curated by our professional design team. They are all supposed to be finished within the year. So if you are looking for a brand new home, we have it.
Lots of inventory. And so as far as customization, do you guys help all along the way? What kind of options can you choose from? Because it can be kind of overwhelming to customize a home.
It can be overwhelming, and that's why I love what we do, because I say you color within our lines. We have a design studio with beautiful selections to choose from, and a design team that coaches you throughout the process.
Thanks for coming to take a tour with us at this model home in Rouzan. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to myself, Casey, or Liz with Level Homes. We'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Viva Rouzan.